I'm going to teach you how to mirror an image in LibreOffice Writer, a straightforward process that can add a unique element to your document design. Whether you're looking to create a mirrored reflection or simply adjust the orientation of your image, these simple steps will guide you through the process with ease. First, let's begin by opening LibreOffice Writer. On your desktop, you should see the LibreOffice icon. Give it a double click to launch the program. Once you're in, you'll be presented with several options. Go ahead and select the Writer document option to open, whether it's a new file or an existing document where you want to insert and mirror your image. Now that you have your document ready, it's time to move on to inserting your image. To do this, navigate to the top of your screen where you'll see the Insert menu. Click on it, and a drop-down list will appear. From this list, choose Image and then from File. This will open a browser window where you can navigate through your files. Find and select the JPG image you'd like to work with and click Open. Your image should now appear within your document. To begin working with your image properties, you'll need to select your image by clicking on it. You'll know it's selected because you'll see small green or red squares around the corners. These handles indicate that you can now modify the image. Next, right-click on the image to open a contextual menu, then choose the Properties option. This will bring up the Image Properties dialog box, where we'll perform the actual mirroring. Within the Image Properties dialog, you'll need to locate the Image tab. Here is where all of the magic happens. Under this tab, you will find the Flip options. Now, if you're aiming for a mirror effect, you'll want to use the Flip Horizontally option. This adjustment will swap the left and right sides of your image, offering a true mirrored appearance. Alternatively, you can opt to flip vertically, which will flip your image upside down, creating a top-to-bottom inversion. Choose the flip option that best suits your needs for the document you're creating. Once you've decided on your preferred flip, it's time to implement the changes. Go ahead and click OK to apply your selected mirroring effect. You should now see the mirrored image displayed in your document just as you envisioned it. If you need further adjustments, you can always reaccess the image properties by following the same steps and fine-tuning your image until it's perfect. And that's it. You've successfully mirrored an image in LibreOffice Writer. Enjoy experimenting with this feature to enhance your documents and add a little extra flair to your creative projects.